Hi friends, we are back again. So today our topic is why do compounds like PCl5, PBr5, etc. get ionized in solid state? Means why do they need to ionize? So we will just try to look upon this factor. So as we all know that PCl5 in solid state ionizes into PCl4 plus PCl6 minus. PBr5 in solid state ionizes into PBr4 plus PBr6 minus. So why do they just need to ionize? The question is why do they just need to ionize? So friends, there are two reasons. इसके लिए मेनली दो रीज़न है. जो पहला रीज़न है, as size of compounds get bigger, obviously जो वैंडर वाल फोर्स होगा वो कहीं ना कहीं कमज़ोर पड़ता रहेगा, वीकनिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है इसका, इट स्टार्ट्स टू वीकन. सो टू मेंटेन देयर स्टेबिलिटी, okay, every compound wants to maintain their stability. So to maintain their stability they want what? Electrostatic force of attraction. That is ionic. Obviously ionic is much stronger than van der Waals force. So what here? Ionic force of attraction will exist. One reason is. The very second reason is that every molecule wants to just increase their overall packing efficiency. Every molecule just want to what? Increase their overall packing efficiency. Okay, that's why they just ionize. There are some examples which do not ionize, means not ionize. Reason: steric hindrance. PBr6 does not ionize. Pi5 does not ionize. Then SBr6, I think it is SBr6. SBr6 does not ionize. Si6 does not ionize. XEF8 does not ionize. They just do not exist. Not just ionize. They just do not exist. These all compounds does not exist due to just this steric hindrance. Yeah, these compounds just do not exist. Okay, due to just this steric hindrance. There are some more examples in which compounds ionize. Let's see that. XeF6 in solid state ionizes into XeF5 plus F minus. I think you would know the structure of XeF6. Let's draw the structure of XeF6. Xe, here is the lone pair. and then something like this exists. As we all know, its structure is distorted octahedral, but its dipole moment is zero. Dipole moment is zero. That's why we call it distorted octahedral or capped octahedral, because the position of this very lone pair changes continuously. That's why. Okay, now come to very second example. ICl or ICN, they just ionize into ICN2 minus and I2CN plus. In very similar way, ICl2 minus and I2Cl plus. Okay, all in solid state, solid या फिर molten state. Okay, now come next, I2O4. It also ionizes as I think it just ionizes like IO3 minus and IO plus. Now the very second, I4O9, it ionizes as I3 plus plus IO3 minus 3, sorry, IO3 minus 3, means net charge will become minus 3. So it ionizes like this. Now some two last which you can see here are N2O4. Okay, all in solid state. I am again repeating solid state, as NO3 minus and NO plus and N2O5. It again ionizes like NO3 minus plus what left, NO2 plus. So it was the net this ending of the whole topic. Okay, let's meet in next video and keep supporting.